text styles. I can wanna say that text styles. I need the call it to for anywhere in my project. I need to static text style, and we have some styles from headline or other things. Headline 2, 3. Now I'm adding for with headline. Need to context text before we can say const. Need to check before that text style. I need to make me text styles high text style, yeah, height, font, weight, I think is bold, headline, yeah, it's bold, and size 34. Height is not height, is height, font weight, not weight. Font size 34, and font weight there, font weight hold, and need the color. Looks like how I can call my colors, app color and dot black, for example, is all project you look black my headlines, you can easily access there, and font size and other things I don't need any. This one okay. After this need to headline 2 and 3 and copy there and paste my Figma again, headline 24 and 18, and there are can bold. Is there bold? I need to check. Yeah, there are bold. Okay, there are. I'm continue. Again, copy, paste. What is other titles? 11px, 14, 16. Okay, and description there. And there, how I can say call there, alone just wanna say that on px, yeah, and just font normal, not this headline, 11 and 14 is that normal, and other 16 px, same this normal, and last description text style I will paste there 40 description. What is description? This 14 and regular, but is this color dark different? We can say just how I can say 14, but it's not the same font weight. We can call 400, I'm blank. And for text style we defined there. We have a constant values text style in my Figma tools UI kit. They give a have some styles and color there, and I'm continue with images. We can define there. I will add assets on my project here. Close lip in my their assets project inside their images and other things maybe can be sometimes icons, but now I don't download their images social logins, but I'm defining there. For example, you look wanna see images dart inside my here, how I can call there easily my class name app images, and there again static const string, for example, to social login Google and Facebook. I define there, for example, Facebook assets images Facebook. I don't know what is the JPEG or PNG. Now other things, string Google assets images and Google. I don't know this, and this don't remember there. You need to edit assets there for calling easily. I had now assets images, but not always edit, just easy way edit there assets and other folders icons. And now I remember things for localization. If you have a localization, you need to file for looks like a pubspec YAML. For this, you need to edit their project localization YAML file. Sorry for I don't remember this video, and you can easily define there what is your folder name localization and what is your file's name, and you need to what you want there, and you can easily terminal ask and define your project. For this you need to call Flutter pop at until okay. How I need to check how I can my generation. Yeah, there are Flutter generation localization enter. It's okay now. Flutter again localization. You look their localizations files. That's easily this video. Okay, now I think the next video contain with constant widgets, for example text widgets and buttons. I'm not writing code all components now next video, but just I need this close times. For example, I wanna start with first these pages are authentication pages. I need some buttons and text files widgets and maybe other buttons. I just some widgets, and I coding a little some widgets. Okay, see you now. Thank you for watching.